Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today we're just going to play in some makeup. I got the Brewed Cosmetics Spellbook palettes. I got all three of them. One's called Love, one is Lust, and one is Passion. There's some really cute palettes. I got them probably the week Heidi got out of well, maybe 2 weeks after Heidi got out of the hospital. So I really haven't had time to play. So I'm going to show you Love first. It's the blue one. And this is what it looks like. Then there's Lust, which is like the cranberry type shade. If I can figure out how to get it open, we might look at it. And this is what the front looks like. And that is what the palette looks like. I'm sorry if you hear road noises and that. I have the windows open. It was a little stuffy in my room and it's raining, and when the cars go by it sounds horrible. Sorry if that's disturbing. This one's Passion. And that's the colors. So we're just going to play. Let's see. I think I want to play in Lust. And I might go into the other palettes as well. So I think I'm going to go in with this first shade right there, all over the lid, to start off. I've never used Brewed Cosmetics. Each palette was $12, and it was free shipping. Okay, this is called, what did I say? It's called Midnight, which is weird because it's like a very light color. I mean, it's going on nice. Let me see what it looks like. It's going on nice. It's been very warm the last couple days. Today it's a little tiny bit chilly, but nothing major. My skin has been so dry. I did order the Aurora palette from ColourPop. It was the restock. I was real excited to get that. And my friend Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, she also ordered it. So we might be doing a look together. Little mini collab on the side using that palette. We'll see how that goes. Alright, I'm going to go into Fate, which is that orange. And I'm going to go Inner. It's pigmented for sure. I'm going to go up into the crease. Not sure how much you can see. My lighting's weird today. It's because it's really cloudy out. And I have the overhead light on. I don't know. No, see, that makes it really weird looking. I don't know why my nose is so itchy today. Everybody was cutting their grass yesterday, and I was sneezing a lot. It usually doesn't bother me. I love the smell of fresh cut grass. I don't know why it was bothering me so much. What's that say? Let's bring that down a little bit. There we go. You guys can see a little better, maybe. It is a pretty color, though. I don't know how well you guys are seeing it. It's actually pretty bright. Okay. Wish I could afford all the camera equipment and the lights and all that and know how to edit better, because I suck at editing. I really do. I would make more shorts if I knew how to edit a little better. I'm going to go into Eclipse, which looks like it's a reddish, like a reddish orange. Maybe. Is that what I want to do? No. I'm going to go into that brown love potion. I'm going to go into the outer V. Same kind of looks I do all the time. You guys are probably bored with it. It's just the way I like to do my makeup. I have a little harder time seeing on, like, to do this eye for whatever reason. I really need to make an eye doctor appointment and get new glasses. I'm talking about darker on this side, don't bring it in very far either. And it's so weird how that one side looks one way. Whatever. Alright, let me blend that out a little bit if I can find the brush I wanted to use. Blend that in. Sorry, we're already up to 9 minutes. Anyway, if you want an update on Heidi, she's doing really... I'm going back into that Fate, and I'm gonna blend that into this. She's doing really well. She walked without the walker today. I caught her on the camera and filmed it. She's been... I think she feels a little more comfortable trying new things. Trying, you know, to see how steady she is. Like, she tests herself when we're not around. I'm back into that love potion. And she's She did really well. I did share a little clip of her privately with some people of her trucking over to the bathroom. Back into Fate. Sorry guys, this is taking so long. Alright, I like that. Yeah, so she's doing really well. I mean, considering her leg was paralyzed, the left leg was completely paralyzed and was not responding to, like, you know, the little machine they put on to test their muscles. It wasn't responding, her left leg at all. And her right leg was, I went into psychic. I'm gonna put that in the center. Um, yeah, her leg was not responding at all, and I'm taking that all the way over. And for her to get up today, 5 weeks later, without the walker, and go to the potty chair, because we can't, she can't use the regular toilet yet. The bathroom is way too small. We're remodeling, and for her to safely get in and out. That's pretty cute, I guess. And I wanted to try it with a brush, too. Wow, we're up to 12 minutes. Sorry, guys. It was on pretty good with a brush. And then, of course, my phone never buzzes like that unless I'm filming. I'm not sure who it is. I don't feel like getting up and checking either. I haven't had a break in weeks. I'm just done. All right, so I'm digging that look. I think I'm gonna go into Eclipse a little bit, which is that red shade. I'm just gonna go a little bit over that brown. All right. I think that is about it. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on and mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. So, I just had it in my hand, and of course I lost it. The eyeliner I used was called Pearl Shimmer, and I used the ColourPop Level Up Mascara and the Jeffree Star Kumquat lipstick, the little Willpower blush, which I guess looks okay, and that is it. So, this is the look using the Lust palette from Rude Cosmetics. This is how it turned out. I'll look down. I think it's pretty. Maybe not with this lipstick. Maybe I could have went with something more plum. I'm sweating. All of a sudden it got real hot in here, so I'm thinking the sun's getting ready to come back out right before it sets. You know how that goes. So anyway, this was my tryout of the Lust palette from Rude Cosmetics. I'll be playing in the other palettes at another date. I think the look came out pretty good. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. Um, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed this video. I don't know, I lost my train of thought there for a second. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.